It's a very good evening. This is Sohal this side, going to take the video shot of the house which has come for sale. In front of this house, this is 80 feet road, and you can see the vehicles moving around. Here I'm going to enter into this house. It has been surrounded by the beautiful palms, bottle palms. This is the house, right? This is 12 Marla house, sizing 36 by 75. Lot of greenery in front of this house. This is the main entrance. Beautifully designed with a great architecture, giving ultra modern look to each and every window. The glasses are giving a mirror look so that nobody can see inside from outside. On the right side at the entrance, we can see the drawing room. It's a beautiful drawing room. You can see the burnt umber colored wallpaper with the beautiful miniature designs, beautiful curtains, and the chandelier on top, the two fans. This is the main lobby. In fact, it is a duplex house. On the left side, you can see the dining room, and look at the workmanship of the POP. On the left side, there is a kitchen. It's a huge kitchen, sizing somewhere around 11 feet by almost 13 feet. It's a modular kitchen. On the upper side, you can see the woodwork. Here it is. And the lower also, the woodwork. With a dual sink. And in the modular kitchen, a chimney has been fitted of a standardized company. I'm going to go on the first floor. Look at the workmanship on the stairs. It's proper granite. It seems like Italian marble. This is the main hall. On the upper side, it's a huge hall, sizing somewhere around 20 feet by 24 feet. Rather more than that. This is the workmanship on the roof. And this is a huge room. See the workmanship on the roof. The roof work has been done very beautifully in the entire house. Not only the roof work, but the woodwork, the marble work. The marble is of a very good quality. This is a puja room, so I'm not going to go inside because I have put on my shoes. This is the marble. Okay, this is a marble, and after every 10 inches a green colored strip has been laid into the marble, giving a beautiful design. I'm going to show you the outer side also. Like I'm opening the door, there you see there is a huge parking lot. If we remove this lawn from outside, I think there is a parking of around 7 to 8 cars, and inclusive of the garageway, it is 12 to 15 cars. In fact, there is no need to remove the lawn because it is very beautifully maintained. And this is the front road, and these are the houses on the right side, one canal houses I suppose. And this is east facing Chandigarh and Sunwind direction, a very prime location house. The best part about this house is there is no gate in front of this house. Generally there are houses in front of the house, so causing a hindrance for the vehicles from both the directions while going out and coming in. So here it is. You can see the vehicle moving, and from security point of view, it is totally packed from all the sides. So there is no kind of risk from any side. This stair is going towards the top. And here I am showing you the other portion also. There are two rooms on the right side. One room is this. This is a huge room. In fact, it is somewhere around 16 feet by 14 feet. Again, the workmanship out there. And this is the wardrobe. It is totally polished, teak polished. There is no kind of Sanmaika work done here. So each and every door has. Now you look at the finish. If you have the knowledge about the wood, you can see the polish work. It is beautifully done. This is all teak wood out here. Going to enter into this room. Again, you can see the workmanship. In fact, these people have made it a store. A lot of bags have been put here. So I'm not going to show you that part. I'm going to show you the workmanship. The marble is again okay. It's perfectly fine. On the left side, this is the dressing, and this is the bathroom. The size of the bathroom is also great. The tile is 15 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 16. This is somewhere around 6.5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or by almost 9.5 feet. 6.5 by 9.5. So this is it. Again, look at the workmanship on the wardrobes. Beautiful done. Even while we are coming up the stairs, you can see the texture work done on the roof, and they have given the provision of the lights also. Like during the daytime, we can have the natural light coming from the top. If you want me to show you the upper part also, I'm going to take the stairs towards the upper side. In fact, it is locked from the top. Anyhow, there is a roof only on top, nothing apart from that. Going to pause it, going to take the things down. I have come down from the top. Similarly, like the rooms I have shown you on the first floor, the same map is there, but the people are sleeping inside, so I'm not going to go and disturb them. This is one room on the right side and the one room on the left side. Thank you very much. Have a great time with us. Great day. Thank you.